Hi everyone, so welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to tell you something about GIF function. So I have taken first, second and third. I have taken three lists, right? After that, in fourth step I am printing employee, employee list. If I will print that employee list, we will get all list, right? Yes. Yeah, to print the list you have to write print. In that bracket you have to pass list name. Okay, fine. In fifth step, okay, I'm writing print emp comma sal, so we will get two list. Okay, yeah, we'll get two list of employee and list of salary. After that I'm writing print emp comma sal comma age. If you do like this, you'll get all the list. Okay, all three list, three different list. Okay, now my question is how to combine all these three different list into the single list. Okay, the solution is GIF function. Okay, what GIF will do, GIF will combine two or more list into the single list. So I have created cgif variable cgif. Okay, and I have GIF function. In that I am passing employee salary age because I want to convert all these three lists into the single list, right? Yes. After that I will print cgif. If you will print here, you will get GIF object. Okay, but we don't want GIF object, right? We want all the list into the single list, all different list into the single list, right? So what I will do, I will convert that cgif into the list. Okay, so to convert the object into the list, we have to pass that into the list function. Okay, list of cgif. After that I will print that lgif. Yeah, if you print, then you will get all the list into the single list. Fine. And also, like, each entry are in tuple format. See, this employee is in tuple format. So here Arya, his salary is 1000 and his age is 18. Like this it will print. So what is GIF function? GIF will combine two or more lists into the single variable or single list, right? After combining, each entry contains tuple. Yeah, it will contain in tuple, right? Yes. So here what I have did, I have written all the code in single cell. Yeah, employee name, salary is okay. After that I'm passing all the three lists into the GIF. After that I'm converting GIF into the list. If we will not convert, then we will get output as object. After that I'm printing lgif. That lgif, what it will do, it will combine two or more list into the single list or single variable. Hope you understood. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new, then please subscribe.